Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that'll make your head spin faster than a propeller. It's the battle of the skies between the DJI Mini 2 SE and the Techwonderz drone with camera. Let's get ready to rumble. On the left, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE, clocking in at a cool $279. And on the right, the Techwonderz drone comes in at a budget-friendly $129. DJI's like that fancy latte you splurge on, while Techwonderz is more like your trusty instant coffee. Both get the job done, but one costs you an arm and a leg. DJI Mini 2 SE boasts a 31-minute flight time, with a combo pack that gives you up to 93 minutes of sky-high fun. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone gives you a respectable 50 minutes. So if you're planning on filming your entire neighborhood's block party, DJI's your guy. But if you're just spying on your neighbor's barbecue, Techwonderz will do the trick. DJI Mini 2 SE, with its easy-to-use shooting templates and epic imaging, is like having Spielberg in your pocket. On the other hand, Techwonderz offers 1080 PhD dual cameras with a 90 degrees rotating front camera. It's like having two eyes, but one of them can look sideways. Handy for those awkward angles, right? DJI Mini 2 SE has a max transmission range of 10 kilometers thanks to its OcuSync technology. You'll lose sight of it before it loses signal. Techwonderz, however, likes to keep things local with its FPV transmission. It's like the difference between a long-distance relationship and dating your next-door neighbor. Both have their perks, but one definitely goes the distance. DJI Mini 2 SE stands tall with level 5 wind resistance, handling speeds up to 38 kilometers per hour. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones. Techwonderz, well, it's more like a feather in the breeze, best kept indoors or on calm days. The DJI Mini 2 SE is super beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. It's like having a drone with a built-in GPS and a mom who always knows where you are. Techwonderz, on the other hand, offers features like one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode, making it as easy as playing a video game. Perfect for kids and those who've never touched a drone before. Reviewers love the DJI Mini 2 SE for its high-quality camera, stable flight, and beginner-friendly features, although some wish it included more accessories. Techwonderz is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and satisfactory camera quality, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 2 SE is like the Ferrari of drones, sleek, powerful, and a bit pricey, while the Techwonderz drone is more like a trusty Honda, affordable, reliable, and packed with features. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.